Candidates of the 2027 cycle. Listen closely. The world is full of average people doing average things. But you didn't click on this video because you want to be average. You clicked because you want mastery. You want that grade 1. You want to see your name on the placement list of the best schools in Ghana. Right now, most students are sleeping. They are waiting for the right time to start. But my data shows there is no right time. There is only now. This is the path to grade 1 mastery. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to rewire your brain. I am going to show you that BECE and WASSCE are not just exams. They are the first major battles of your life. And in this room, we do not play to participate. We play to win. Phase 1. The identity shift. Stop saying, I am trying to pass. A person who is trying is already expecting to fail. From this moment on, your language changes. You are not trying to study science. You are mastering science. You are not hoping for a good math grade. You are claiming it. The syllabus is the map, but your discipline is the engine. My analysis of the 2027 reset year shows that the questions will reward those who understand the why, not just the what. If you want the top schools, Presec, Wesley Girls, Achimota, you must have a top-tier mindset. Those gates don't open for the lucky, they open for the prepared. Take a deep breath. The journey starts today. The 2026 candidates have left the stage. This is your stage now. Let's begin the breakdown of your greatness. Let's be honest for a second. Learning is hard. Sitting behind a desk when your friends are on their phones is hard. Looking at a social studies textbook that looks like a mountain is hard. I know you feel like you're not smart enough. I know you feel like no matter how much you read, it doesn't stick. But here is the secret. Difficulty is the sign that your brain is growing. If it was easy, everyone would have grade 1s. The difficulty you feel right now is just the price of the seat you want at your dream school. Don't run from the hard topics. When you hit a topic like circular geometry or chemical equations and it feels like a wall, stay there. Don't close the book. The breakthrough happens in the extra 10 minutes you spend when you want to quit. You don't need 10 hours a day. You need honesty. Most of you study by just looking at pages and dreaming. That's not learning. That's daydreaming with a book open. If you want to master BECE 2027, use the teach it method. Read a page, close the book, and try to explain it to the wall. Try to explain it to your younger sibling. If you can't explain it simply, you don't know it yet. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings lie to you. You won't always feel like studying. You need systems. 30 minutes of deep focus is better than 3 hours of distracted scrolling. Put the phone in another room. This 30 minutes is for your future. The phone will be there when you're done, but this opportunity won't. I want to talk to the student who feels like they've already failed. Maybe your mock results were bad. Maybe people in your house tell you that you aren't the academic type. Listen to me. Your past does not have a vote in your future. WAEC does not care what you did in JHS1 or JHS2. They care about what you put on that paper in 2027. You have time to turn the ship around. You have time to become the pride of your family. Imagine the day the results come out. Imagine your mother's face when she sees those grade 1s. Imagine the text message you send to your friends saying, I got into my first choice. That feeling is worth every boring hour of studying. You are capable of more than you know. You are a NASEG Learn student. We don't just pass, we dominate. The Legacy and Landscape segment. Let's talk about the why. Why are you doing this? Is it just for a piece of paper? No, it's for the gate. It's for the entrance to the life you want. Think about the schools. Think about the red bricks of Addersadel. Think about the blue and white of Presec Legon. Think about the history in the walls of Wesley Girls or Achimota. When you walk through those gates in 2027, you aren't just a student anymore. You are a legacy. You are part of a tradition of excellence that has built this nation. But those gates don't open for people who wish. They open for people who work. I want you to look at your desk right now. Is it messy? Is it full of distractions? Your environment is a reflection of your mind. If you want a grade 1 life, you cannot have a grade 9 habit. The difficulty you feel in integrated science, that confusion with water and solubility, that's not a sign to stop. That's the feeling of your brain stretching. Most students stop when it gets blurry. They close the book and say, "I'll do it tomorrow." But tomorrow is a graveyard of dreams. The NASEG Learn way is to stay in the blur, stay in the confusion until the light comes on. Because once that light comes on, nobody can ever take that knowledge away from you. You aren't just learning for an exam, you are building a brain that can solve any problem in the world. The Daily Discipline segment. Success is boring. People think it's a big, heroic moment, but it's actually just doing the same boring things every single day. It's waking up at 4:30 a.m. when the air is cold and the house is silent. It's solving 5 math problems before you even have breakfast. It's carrying a small notebook in your pocket so you can memorize social studies definitions while you're waiting for the bus or sitting in traffic. You have 24 hours in a day. The person who gets a grade 1 and the person who fails both have the same 24 hours. The difference is how they respect those hours. If you spend 3 hours on social media looking at people who have already made it, you are wasting the time you need to make it yourself. Put the phone down. The celebrities don't care about your BECE results. Your friends won't be there to write the paper for you. This is a lonely road. Accept it. Embrace the loneliness, because the view from the top of the mountain is only for those who are willing to climb it alone. The Final Hope segment. I know some of you are tired. I know some of you feel like the black sheep of the family. You feel like everyone expects you to fail. Let that be your fire. There is no better feeling in the world than proving people wrong. There is no better feeling than showing the people who doubted you that you were a giant all along. 2027 is your year of revelation. You have the AI predictions. You have the topics. You have the mind. Now, all you need is the heart. Close your eyes one last time. See the grade 1s on that screen. Feel the hug from your father. Hear the shout of joy from your mother. That moment is waiting for you in the future. It's already there. All you have to do is walk toward it, one page at a time, one day at a time. This is NASEG Learn. We are the future of Ghana. We are the smartest, the toughest, and the most prepared. The system is ready. The data is clear. Your destiny is calling. Go to work. System, stand by. Take this energy, close this video, and go do the work. The world is waiting for you. System, stand by.